I'm size L.
What color would you like?
I'd like black.
Where is your t-shirt?
Thank you. Can I try some?
Children cases are over there.
Thank you.
Does it fit you?
Yes, of course. How much does it cost?
Just $15.
Okay, I will buy it.
Good morning.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I want a t-shirt. Can you a t-shirt? Can you show me one?
Okay, which one do you want?
I want this, the black one. How much does it cost?
Just $15.
I don't have $15. Can I have some discounts?
You can have 33 discounts. It means $10.
Okay. Thank you. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Can I help you?
Yes, of course. I'm looking for a jacket.
What size are you?
I'm size L.
What color would are you?
I'd like blue.
Here is the jacket.
Thank you. Can I try it on?
Changing the place are over there. Thank you. The jacket fits you?
Yes, of course. How much does it cost?
It's $15.
Okay, I will buy it.
Good morning.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt. Can you show me one?
Sure. Which one do you want?
I want the blue one. Can I? How much does it cost?
Just 15.
I don't have $15. Can I have some discount?
You can have 33% discount. Just me $10.
Okay, I will buy it.
Reading is a very good habit that one needs to develop in life.
Reading is very important because it improves my concentration and my memory. Reading is very important for students. My favorite hobby is reading.